The sign bunny is an internet meme that was found for the first time on Twitter in 2013. It is made of a bunny which holds a signboard in its hand that delivers the user's message. This used to be a trending meme on Twitter in 2014, which was used to draw attention to the tweet and sometimes also got used as a protest symbol. To create this sign bunny meme, first go to the Google search bar and search keywords like sign bunny meme copy paste, bunny holding sign text copy paste, or sign bunny generator. Then copy it from a website like this. I'll also give its link in the video description. Then after pasting it, you can also edit it if you want and post it. You can also make custom sign bunnies entirely by your own like this. To watch more videos like this, click on the video or the playlist on the screen and subscribe for new videos.